James Paul Abig as a presenter for the Research Data Gathering, an integrated development model for character-based games. How is this research interesting? This research is interesting since it will help independent developers to create complex AI with limited resources, such as the example below. It uses basic behavior in the basic game, but it could still be improved more and still retain its simplicity. This is the sample of the game. The materials or the algorithms used are the READ algorithm and the rule-based system approach with Java and their open source tools. The methods of the victim is to design a game which would implement the algorithm, and the game also helps and deals the problems of related to human resources management. Results. The main concern of the research is the performance of the game, and the RMI have caused the game FPS to drop, or the frame rate. This approach allows the creation of the character-based game with complex and powerful AI. And their result of the game is successful. This is their diagram or the development phase. Implications and conclusions of the researchers is to they were able to cut the cost while making the game with a complex AI. The only implication is that the researchers should be able to know the two languages which both are similar, like Java and C Sharp. Engaging autistic children in imitation and turn-taking games with multi-agent system of interactive lightning blocks. This research is about using building blocks with multi-agent system to interact with the children with autism, which will be able to help them understand how they behave. Materials and methods of the research study is the lightning blocks both for usage and distractor, a television for both as a main distractor. The child is to the goal of the scene one is to get the child to be familiar with the interaction possibilities of the blocks and the concept of the game. Now scene 2 goal is to let the child complete the most basic cooperative scenario where the child shares the block once with the coordinator. Scene 3 that the child complete a longer scenario where he or she shares the block 2 times and receive the block once. This is the sample of the game, the weakness of lack of quantitative results, lack of visual presentation of the two participants playing, and the visual of the presentation of the table is blurry. The strongest of the research is to describe the action of the child where they are distracted by the TV or light blocks beside them. This is the table of the researchers. The result. Conclusion shows potential resource in helping the children with autism, and as observed, stress levels of children are lower than the social interaction. Although the researchers suggested that they should have used different environment that would be natural or common in their age. BDI for intelligent agents in computer games. Why is this interesting? Because this research tested an intelligent system that can stimulate a human-like decision to appear more human, like the GIF example below that uses boxes to hide themselves and their opponents. The study uses BDI or the belief desire intention. Materials and methods used is the game environment of Unreal Tournament similar to Unity, JDEX, Java bots, And their methods is system design. The weakness is their limitations or restrictions of the game engine source code. The strongest is that the researchers include a sample of their navigation messaging system that would help the future researchers. Results that are they are capable of using simple behavior and other complex such as running away when their health is low and capable of defending themselves while still exploring and collecting. The survival rate of the agent is 50% because they are able to hide, defend, and explore. Implications and conclusions of the research is that they are able to explore, shoot, gather, and stay alive, while the only application of the study is the limited access of the game source engine. And that's it. And thank you for listening on this research and have a nice day.